Ito may hint. Walang heater. Yan lang.
Akin na to. Delikado yan.
Nasira rin yung plaster ko kasi may tumigas.
Pahabain ko yung scene.
Full leg. Maganda yung cut off na lang, they don't know why, diba?
Pagiging marites naming dalawa. pero hanggang dun na lang yun.
My name is Albi Casino and I play the role of Martin.
Hi, I'm Chloe Jen. I'm playing the role of the secretary of Martin.
Hi, I'm Van Allen and I'm playing the role of Leo. I'm the brother of Martin and ako yung magiging reason kung bakit mag-cheat si Melanie kay Martin.
Yung sa akin, sinabihan pa ko ni Direk na bawal i-reveal, so abangan nyo na lang.
Ako naman, as Martin, I play a gym owner who wants to marry his live-in girlfriend but she's having other plans.
First question, what are the challenges, unique challenges that I face when filming this movie?
Yung challenges ko, it's mostly time-based, diba? Like, one of the hardest parts about shooting this movie actually was our last day because we were shooting near the holidays and then, you know what I mean? Like, my schedule's a little crazy right now, I'm sure with all of the other artists as well. And then, it just getting pushed back yung last day. And diba, as an artist, the longer you push something off, the less na attached you are sa character eh. You know what I mean? Nakakalimutan mo yung flow, nakakalimutan mo yung pinanggalingan ng eksena, nakakalimutan mo lahat yun. But you know what I mean? It's just added homework that you have to do and it's part of the process, you know? It's part of the industry. And siguro another problem was yun nga nagsisegue ako at the time. So I don't have a driver, so you know what I mean? I'm driving. And our location's in Cavite pa. Going Cubao, straight to Cavite, back to Cubao. So yeah, yun yung naging problem for me.
Ako, since isa lang yung scene ko, ito may hint, walang heater. Yan lang. Hindi ko talaga kaya nang walang heater. Yun, may hint na yung character.
Para sa akin naman is marami ring challenges kasi ito yung pinaka marami kong scenes na nakuwang role. Ito yung pinaka best role na nakuha ko. This is my first lead role. So yun, napakaraming challenges. And yun nga, sabi ko kanina, sobrang bait naman ng mga co-workers ko, yung mga cast, mga directors. Sobrang bait nila and sobrang supportive sila kung may mga parts na pumapalya ako. Yun.
Most memorable moments on set?
Para sa akin yung nasa gym kami kasi doon kami complete rin. Doon rin si Chloe, gano'n. Tapos okay rin yung set namin palagi kasi kami hiwalay ni Albi dun sa mga girls eh. So nung time na yun, yung waiting area namin, sama-sama kami lahat. So para sa akin, medyo memorable yung gym.
Pinaka-memorable ko siguro yung pag-approach sa akin ni Albi. Kasi nauna yung pagiging marites naming dalawa. pero hanggang dun na lang yun.
Akin na to. Delikado yan. Siguro yung pinaka-memorable ko yung wala ngang heater. Kasi nagkasakit ako after that.
Can you share the sexiest moments of the film?
Ako siguro for me yung nasa bathtub ako. For undisclosed reasons. Let's just say nagkakaroon tayo ng problem sa plaster.
Ako siguro yung scene ko kasi todo din naman yung naging scene namin together. So, yun lang. Wala naman akong choice.
Akin yung shower scene namin ni Angeli kasi kwento ko rin to sa interview yesterday about the Salawahan na yun nga, nasira rin yung plaster ko kasi may tumigas. So, ayun, sa shower. Kaya, yun yung pinaka-challenging sa akin.
This is your first lead role. How did you prepare for this and did you feel any pressure?
Yes, definitely there. Pero like, I stay composed. Pinag-aralan ko talaga yung script. Every day na may work ako with Salawahan, talagang pagkasundo pa lang sa akin ng service, focus na talaga ako si Leo in character na. Tapos nagpapatulong ako kala Direk kung may mga dapat ba akong ibago sa acting ko or sa pagbato ko, ganun. Yun lang, talagang nag-internalize talaga ako the whole time na nasa location ako.
What made you say yes to this cameo and if you can make any changes or mag-a-add ka or magbabawas, what would they be?
Ang main reason ko kasi great media siya. Diyan talaga kasi ako nag-start, hindi as an artist, as production coordinator. So, before ako na-discover ni Boss Vic. So, kahit anong ipagawa nila, yes lang talaga ako. Sa scene naman na ginawa ko, pinapili nila kasi ako kung anong scene yung gagawin ko. And binigay naman nila yung gusto kong gawin. Siguro kung ako yung magdadagdag, baka pahabain ko yung scene. Magkaroon siya ng iba't ibang angles. Hindi naman, parang may mga challenges muna before maging direct ang yun mismo.
What is your dream Viva Max project or are there any fantasies that you
Oh man, I'm gonna say this now para ituloy na ni Mama Lou. Mama Lou showed me a script that I'm in love with. I can't say much kasi, diba, like, I don't want to spoil it because I think we're in the midst of making it nice. Hopefully, diba, Mama Lou, let's go. Diba, ito na, ako na nagmamakaawa sa'yo. Gawin na natin to.
So last question for everyone naman. In a situation na naging or magiging salawahan kayo, would you confront them or cut them off and why?
Cut them off na lang, diba? Kasi it's better eh. Kasi the confrontation parang, I'm just gonna get heated, magagalit lang ako, emotions, stress, diba? Maganda yung cut off na lang kasi they don't know why, diba?
Ako same, cut off na lang talaga. Kasi hindi naman din deserve nung taong nanakit sa'yo na bigyan mo pa siya ng more energy, more time, diba? Mas masakit nga yung maging silent ka na lang eh. Kaysa yung binigyan mo pa talaga siya ng time para, alam mo yun, binigyan mo pa siya ng importance. Hindi naman niya deserve.
Same with both of them, cut off din kasi it's a waste of time confronting them. Alam naman nila pagkakamali nila. Ayoko na rin sayang ng oras and emotions for them. So, alam na nila yun. I'm Van Allen Ong and I'm inviting everyone to watch Salawahan, directed by Jeffrey Hidalgo. Kasama ko si Chloe Jenna, Sheila Snow, Albi Casino, and Angelique Ang.
Hi everyone, I'm Chloe Jenna, inviting you all to please watch Salawahan, directed by Jeffrey Hidalgo, only on Viva Max. Viva Max, atin to.
Hello everybody, my name's Albi Casino and I would like to invite everybody to check out my first project here with Viva and with Viva Max. Salawahan, showing Feb 2, Viva Max, atin to.